Hello, I'm Biz. Today I'm going to install Home Assistant Supervised on Proxmox Virtual Environment version 7. So first of all, we're going to create a VM. With the name of Home Assistant Supervised. We're not going to use any installation media. BIOS, we're going to use a UEFI BIOS. And storage, select local storage. Okay, hard disk. Doesn't matter because we're going to delete it in a minute. We need 2 cores, and I always like 4 gig. Minimum is 2 gig. We need to use DHCP network. Well, it's going to be a very miserable experience, and we don't want to start the VM. So we create the VM. Here we go. Right, now we want to take this hard disk and we want to detach it. And then once detached, we can remove it because we won't want it anymore and it will just cause confusion. Okay, so now first we want to go to the installation pages of Home Assistant and go and get a copy of the file we want. So we want KVM for Proxmox. So we copy that, we take that back and we open our shell. Okay. Now we use wget command and just copy and paste it. Download the file. Decompress the file. And lastly, import the file into our VM. So now we go back into our VM, and down here we have unused disk 0. So now we want to attach that disk. So double click on the disk. Okay, and SSD emulation and add. The disk has been added. Now we need to go to options and look at our boot order and change the boot order to have SCSI as number 1. And once we do that, we can start our virtual machine. And if we have a look on the console, and there we have it. It's now ready. And so here it is. Here's our Home Assistant ready to go. So thank you very much. And I wish you the best of luck with your own installations. Bye for now.